Hey folks, Bob here. We're going to do some unboxing today. I've been ordering stuff. I've stopped by the store, picked up a few things. I hope you guys can see what we're doing here. I don't know if we got the best camera angle in the world or not, but got a box from Summit Racing. Hey, you see that? So let's open this up and see what we got. I think I know what we got, but let's make sure. It's almost like Christmas again. Got a box, a packet of ARP Ultra Torque. Fastener assembly lube. Ooh, looks like we got a rod bearing, Clevite Moly rod bearing. Let's have a look here. Oh yeah, nice. Let me get my old tired eyes on it. Yeah, 10 under CB527P. CB527, that's right. Okay. Let's see what the other shell looks like. CB527P. Okay, so we're good there. That's the one rod bearing I wanted to replace on the 440 I'm putting together for Furious. This car right here, you can't see it, was right in front of the table. So we'll put that back in the box. And we got a set of mains. You can't buy just one main, even though I only had one main go bad. And this is a 10 under main. And you got your center thrust bearings here, and then your outer bearings. So they're sealed up. Let's keep them sealed up. We'll open these up when I get ready to install them. I do see 10 under, so I think we're good there. All right, so that's the parts that I ordered. That's the last of the stuff that I've placed on order. I think everything else has come in for now. Oops, let's put this back in here. Now, you know, still working on the body, you guys that follow the car. Still working on the body, so I bought these discs for trying to speed up some of the sanding process on the car. I'm gonna try this. I've never run these before. I'm gonna try them. There's two different ones. There's a 60. You see that? And a 40. I'm gonna give them a try. I'll use them on something else if they're too coarse for this, but I want to try them. Bought some cutoff wheels, some Gator cutoff wheels. What do you think, Gator? There's that. I bought a tail light for the trailer. I'm always busting the trailer tail lights. It's a dovetail trailer. It's a great trailer. It pulls good. It got one tire tends to wear out faster than the other three, but the dovetail, I get in a situation when you're dragging old cars up on the trailer. I put blocks under the back of it to keep it from slamming down the ground, but they mounted the tail lights on the bottom of the little metal brackets. And just as you're moving the trailer in and out of driveways and difficult places, it'll slam down and bust a tail light. Thought about changing the name of the channel to the Busted Tail Light channel or something like that, but I'm constantly buying these things. It's unbelievable. I need to relocate them to the top of the bracket. See if that helps any. And I bought a little black RTV Permatex and a can of WD-40. So I think the only thing I need left to do is get an oil filter for the car. And we're ready to start putting the motor back together and hopefully put it in. I'm probably going to take the transmission out tomorrow and send it back to the trans shop. It just won't quite right. It didn't shift hard, and we want to have him look at it again. I know it's a waste of transmission fluid. I put I don't know, 20 quarts of transmission fluid in this car, in this transmission. I got it back from the shop. I drained all the lines, drained the coolers, all that stuff, and it still put fresh fluid back in it. It still wouldn't shift right. So, all right, folks. So that's what we have. We got our engine bearings, and we got our RTV rather, and of course we got a bill, Summit. So right now, to my knowledge, the only thing I need is an oil filter and a transmission. All right, folks, later on.